If you're looking to stop recurring charges on Lyft, this guide will help you navigate the process step by step. Follow these instructions to manage your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into the account associated with recurring charges you wish to cancel. Step 2. Access your account settings. Tap on your profile icon or the menu icon in the top left corner of the app. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, look for the Payment or Payment Methods option. This section will show you all your current payment methods and any active subscriptions. Step 4. Review active subscriptions. Scroll through the payment methods to find any active subscriptions. If you see a subscription that you want to cancel, tap on it to view more details. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Airshock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can successfully stop any recurring charges on Lyft. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Lyft's customer support for further assistance.